Once part of Ottoman Empire, Bosnia and Herzegovina again coming closer to Turkey after long history of bloody and uncertain past. Bosnia and Herzegovina remain part of Ottoman Empire from 15th century until 1878 when the Austro-Hungarian Foreign Minister Gyula Andrassy obtained the occupation and administration of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and he also obtained the right to station garrisons in the Sanjak of Novi Pazar, which would remain under Ottoman administration until 1908, when the Austro-Hungarian troops withdrew from the Sanjak. Taking advantage of the turmoil in the Ottoman Empire, Austro-Hungarian diplomacy tried to obtain provisional Russian approval for changes over the status of Bosnia and Herzegovina and published the annexation proclamation on 6 October 1908. Despite international objections to the Austro-Hungarian annexation, Russians and their client state, Serbia, were compelled to accept the Austro-Hungarian annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina in March 1909. Following World War I, Bosnia and Herzegovina joined the South Slav Kingdom of Serbs, Croats and Slovenes, soon renamed Yugoslavia. After Soviet Union collapse, a declaration of the sovereignty of Bosnia and Herzegovina on 15 October 1991 was followed by a referendum for independence on 29 February and 1 March 1992, which was boycotted by the great majority of Serbs. The turnout in the independence referendum was 63.4% and 99.7% of voters voted for independence. Bosnia and Herzegovina declared independence on 3 March 1992 and received international recognition the following month on 6 April 1992. The Bosnian Serb advance was accompanied by the ethnic cleansing of Bosniaks and Bosnian Croats from VRS-controlled areas. Dozens of concentration camps were established in which inmates were subjected to violence and abuse, including rape. The ethnic cleansing culminated in the Srebrenica massacre of more than 8,000 Bosniak men and boys in July 1995, which was ruled to have been a genocide by the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia. The Bosniak-Croat conflict ended in March 1994, with the signing of the Washington Agreement, leading to the creation of a joint Bosniak-Croat Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, which amalgamated HVO-held territory with that held by the Army of the Republic of Bosnia and Herzegovina. A great genocide of Bosnia and Herzegovinian people cause massacre of 500,000 people includes innocent women and children and attempt of ethnic cleansing. During the Bosnian War, Turkey actively supported the Bosnian Muslims, including providing arms and financial aid, and even joining NATO operations. While the Turkish government's financial aid was reportedly minimal, private Turkish citizens and groups, along with Islamist organizations, provided substantial support, including financial assistance and volunteers. Turkey also played a role in facilitating arms shipments, including those from other countries like Iran, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Brunei, and Pakistan. Turkey delivered 2 armed Bayraktar TB2 unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, further strengthening Bosnia and Herzegovina's defense capabilities and sending a clear strategic message across the region. According to Donanım Haber, Turkey's leading technology news portal, the transfer is seen as a key development at a time when military investments across the Balkans are accelerating. We have several other projects with Turkey. We signed a contract for the delivery of 4 Kirpi-2 armored vehicles and 6 Bayraktar TB2 drones, and negotiations are ongoing, said Bosnia and Herzegovina's defense minister Zulkan Hele late last year. It is now confirmed that the Bayraktar drones and Kangal anti-drone systems have already arrived, with full operational control under the armed forces of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Along with the hardware, Bosnia also received advanced ground control stations and comprehensive personnel training. The Ministry of Defense of Bosnia and Herzegovina described the donation as both a message of support to state institutions and an open demonstration of partnership with Turkey. Defense Minister Hele emphasized that the Bayraktars would not burden the state budget, ensuring that the drones remain under sovereign control. The Kangal anti-drone system is designed to disrupt and neutralize hostile drones using low-frequency jamming, targeting GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BEIDOU navigation systems, a powerful defense against threats from Russian, Chinese, and other foreign drone technologies. Meanwhile, the Kirpi-2 armored vehicles meet the highest NATO protection standards and offer superior mine and ballistic protection for military personnel. According to Turkish sources, introducing these systems significantly upgrades Bosnia and Herzegovina's defensive capabilities, especially in counter-drone warfare, an increasingly critical area in modern conflicts. Turkey's donation comes at a time of rising tensions and military buildup across the Balkans. Serbia has strengthened its forces with Chinese drones and French Rafale fighter jets. Croatia has completed its modernization of the air force with Rafale jets from France, and Kosovo and Montenegro continue to invest heavily in security upgrades. Domestically, Bosnia faces additional challenges. The Republika Srpska entity continues to threaten the unconstitutional formation of its armed forces, undermining the authority of the nationally unified armed forces of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Turkish reports indicate that Bosnia is now negotiating the potential acquisition of 4 additional Bayraktar TB2 drones and more related equipment. If these deals materialize, the OSB could emerge as one of the region's most modern forces in terms of drone warfare and electronic defense capabilities.